Welcome back to the Kashyap Take. So this is Sachin Kashyap from Kashyap Take. So this is the part fifth of the connection manager. So in this we will going to learn about the cache connection, like how to create the connection for the cache. So basically it used for lookup transformations. So the cache connection manager in SSIS is used in the cache transformation. Lookup transformation use this connection manager to perform lookup operation using the cache file. Cache connection manager in SSIS perform two operations, like cache connection manager read data from the cache transformation and then save the data in the cache file with an extension of .c8w. This transformation read the data from the cache file using the cache connection manager. So let's see the practical, like how we can create the connection for the cache. So let's go to the Visual Studio and you will see in the right side Solution Explorer. In this you will find connection manager. Just right click on this, new, then you will see this window. In this window you will see third option, cache. Click on add, then you will find this window where you can see the connection manager name, description and these things. So we are creating the first time connection manager, so we have to store this thing. So about this description, like what are the fields and what about things. So we have like a the general tab in the SSIS cache connection manager editor box provide an option whether you want to save the data into a cache file or you want to read the data inside the cache file. Okay, so like connection manager name, so we have to provide the connection manager name and all the things, and description, like describe if you are providing the meaningful or useful information, then you can enter it in the description. So cache and file, so if you go to the Visual Studio, so just provide the like I'm typing the taste, and this is the file name, like where you have to provide the file where the cache will get stored. So just browse it. So this is path, like you can provide any name, like lookup, because I don't have the file created at, so I'll give only the name of lookup and it will get auto created this file as a c.aw in the cache manager window. Okay, see here. So now you have to provide the columns for the indexing. So like I'll, for the example, I'll provide country code and country name, and I'll provide this one as a 1. Why we are providing the index as a 0 and 1? So basically index position, we have to display the index position of each column present in the cache file. The index position will be 0 for all the non-index column. For all the index column, and index position is a positive number. Okay, so it is the most important property for the lookup transformation, because lookup transformation will perform the lookup on the column with a positive index. For example, the country name column has unique value, so we change the index position to the 1 for this column. Okay, so all are set. Now just click on OK, then see here the connection has been created and it is a project level connection. So whenever you are going to create any other packages in this project, it will get auto affected for those all the things. Okay, hope you guys understood about the connection, cache connections. So please provide your feedback and also share the channel. Thank you.